guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Roblox official Brooklyn. So today's video I'm going to be doing a updates video. First updates, before I get into these updates, I am obviously just going to get my moods up and get back to you guys when I do so. So I've used a couple updates on my account. I've used a couple inside. I'm not gonna spoil it because if I show you the roof, you are gonna be able to see straight inside. I know you already see it through these windows. I probably should have deleted them before making this video. I just forgot to. But excuse the floor. The floor is just to test out. It'll be deleted very soon as well. So I'm about to show you guys the first thing I would show. This is all a new paint as well. You can go into your local build mode. Alright, sorry that was loud. So the first couple of colors that are new is this color I have on my house. It's not the cutest, but I got it because it will look very more cuter in like a different type of color, any other type of color. That's why I got it. I was just gonna move to a different color. The second new thing is these dots. Like it's basically like the rainbow, but it was just random colors. It says rainbow dots. That's how you know it's rainbow dots. These are uneven stains. So yeah, that's one of them. And I cannot afford any of the actual playground sets, any of that. I'm really poor actually. For some things, but not all of them. Like I can't afford the golf cart. I am gonna save up for that because they might just delete these updates. You never know. So I'm gonna save up for that. But I just felt like I should go ahead and get on track, even though I'm basically still not on track because I don't have anything. But I'm gonna save up after I film my video. First, let's give okay. So I'm gonna show you the things that cost Bloxburg that you could get. The playground is a wooden play set. It has swings, a slide, and so you don't have to buy the swings. Now they have a trampoline, which I don't know how you find it. Which we're just gonna look in trampoline. Yeah, I can't find it, but like what I'm trying to say is that this stuff is like for your role plays and stuff. But I can't find the trampoline, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all the roofs they have added. They've added this flat glass roof, just like this regular flat roof, and they have added the pyramid glass roof. And it's just like the other pyramid roof, but it's glass. Then they have added the missile, and the missile is right here. So it all looks alike. It just has glass on it. So the next thing I wanted to show you is the trampolinis. Slash just trampolines. I'm gonna go to new and I'll see all of that stuff. So yeah, this is a golf cart. It's cost 65K. That's probably gonna be the first thing I get. And you can get the trampoline. You could get the 8,000 one and the 6,000 one. The 8,000 one is the one that costs the most. It costs 1,000 because it has a net on it, I believe. And this costs 6,000. I'm gonna get to like 100K. And I'm gonna buy all of this. For now on, I'm just gonna wait till I get to 100K. The next thing they have in new is the sand bucket. They have the sand castle, which I've already added to my build. Oh yeah. this color is very perfect for the aesthetic builders. My color scheme is yellow because it's aesthetic. So yeah, you can get some swings for the metal swings are 9,000 and the wooden swings are 7,000. They have the rock climbing wall, which I love. It's just so cute, and I want to get that. The next new thing they have is let me see. Now I'm gonna show you guys what's else new, like inside of my house and what I've already built with. I've built with the glass, and I don't really think it's the best because people can see through your house, but it's very, very pretty. So not get me wrong, it's the prettiest basically. I have lots of holes because I couldn't tell which was wooden and which one wasn't. So I don't really prefer the glass unless it's on like a little part of your house, like a garden little area inside of your house. You can put a glass on that part because it's just very pretty. It's pretty, but it just seems like anybody can look through your house. It's very unsafe, and I just wouldn't want to have that on a daily basis. Yeah, I just wouldn't want like that on a daily basis. I think that the trampoline doesn't have to be that expensive because it's just a trampoline. Trampolines in real life are $1,000 to $2,000. I ended up that one was $2,000 and this one was at least $800. But for this to be a little on the expensive side, I just don't get why it is on that side. Now, I also do not get why the swings are on the expensive side either. This is just the game. You should not spend $7K on a swing. The modern coffee table, that's good. But the rock wall should be more than $1,000. But it's a decent amount. It's something that people will pay for in a hurry. Like, oh, you want a rock wall? Okay, okie dokie, you can get a rock wall. But I think that like that's the cheapest, and I get why it is the cheapest. It's just a simple rock wall. The sandbox is probably the best. It's the cheapest, and you can actually build on this thing. So the sandbox is probably the best, honestly. The sandbox comes with lots of things, and it's basically like the beach. Also, the play box. I don't get why that costs so much like monies for a play box. Anybody can get a play box for cheaper if it was not for Bloxburg. I mean, yeah, I would pay for a play set even if I only had the amount I have, which I have 22K. I would have paid for it, but it is over B-Bucks wise, and I only have 100 of them. I think that all of this stuff is overly too expensive, or some of this stuff. I don't say everything, but the only thing that I'm seeing is cheap is the rock wall, the sandbox, sandcastle, and the $300 sandbox. I'm gonna say the golf cart is a little cheap because it's a golf cart. Honestly, when they said that they made golf carts, I was honestly gonna be so mad because I thought it was gonna be over $200K. Didn't think no one was gonna get that because I thought it was gonna be expensiver than the Jeep, but it's actually cheaper, and I think I'm gonna buy that because it's super cheap to me. Cause yeah. And like I said, you don't have to waste your time on this roof. I don't like the roof. It's very, very No, I just don't like it because I feel like I just don't like the yeah, I had just built the house to do the glass thing and the some of the things on. I just built that house for that. Cause I just wanted to make a house with all the new things and showing you everything, and I didn't have a house, so I just wanted to make one really quick, show you guys everything. But I mean, I feel like that's just too much money for just that thing. I wouldn't get it. It would be cool if they came out with something for like basement wise, cause I have a whole entire basement pass, and they don't have nothing really designed for basement. People make underground houses, but it's not the same. But yeah, guys, I'm just making this my honest opinion, so don't get me wrong. Oh, did you see my head? Alright. Hope you guys like this video. This is it on my channel. I just wanted to have my honest opinion because honestly, no one was making their honest opinion. I wanted to have my own opinion so it would be itself and it wouldn't be like me just saying what other people are saying. This is my true opinion and what I think of it. I'm just trying to keep it 100 with you guys. If you guys want to go follow my backup channel, I just have got Roblox on it. You can follow it at HAILO. It'll be down below. This is my main account. Yes, I had just got Roblox on that account. That's why I made the video. Also, I'm stepping in my videos because the other video I made was very, very lame. I didn't like how it said the closing up sign. It was very lame. Why would somebody be fighting over a closing up sign? Yeah, I know. So, I'm going to step on my game on my videos. So, stay tuned. And let me get some water, because my throat is scratching up very bad. Guys, sorry, I keep some water with me every time I'm filming because, unfortunately, my voice starts to get very, very scrapey throughout my videos, and I want to keep it very, very non-scrapey for you guys. Yeah, guys. Yeah, that's the tea. I'm sneaky. I have to get off this game. I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.